Welcome all of my dear friends into my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to describe you how to create beautiful wall panel decoration item using CNC wood router machine. Okay, let's start. First of all, you need to open ArtCam file and select the size as you need. I am use left bottom top point as the origin. Then I will insert the vector file, then I will position it. After positioning, I am going to set a toolpath for it. First of all, I need to set the material size. Then I am making a tool path for it like this, then I take a simulation for that tool path. Then I am going to make a profiling toolpath for outline vectors. After simulating this toolpath, I can generate code file for CNC machine. That's all for the programming part. Let's see now we can start the machining process. Thank you all for watching my video. I invite you to stay with my channel. I'll hope to do many of these kinds of videos for you. I have uploaded this ArtCam file for you. You can download it using the following link. Wish to see you soon with new video. Thank you.